everyone, Simon here, aka Ginger Juicer. Thanks for stopping by today. So here we are, we're going to do a little blend juice today. And first of all, excuse the little smoke coming across. It's my incense stick, or as I still call it, a joss stick, stuck in the 90s, early 90s. Same as the music taste. But today is an incredible little juice, come blend, with what I've been talking about recently. So we've got tomato, free of, apple, asparagus, it's still in season, will be coming to end of season soon, and chunk of cucumber, and 3 of these are beautiful peaches. These are white flesh peaches, doesn't matter whether you go for yellow, whatever. So I've been discussing recently, this is going to be a real powerful juice here, because of all the antioxidants it's got. So we've got the lycopene from the tomato, the asparagine from the asparagus, and then we've got the beta carotene as well coming through. So we've got, it's a real powerful juice this is. And what you'll find is typically with most juices, because of the amount of nutrients in your fruits and vegetables, the antioxidants, the minerals, they all do help lower blood pressure, typically, and also reduce cholesterol. So you're looking at increasing your HDL, which is healthy cholesterol, get it even similar words right, healthy cholesterol, and lowering your LDL. Right, so let's crack on with this. I'm going to blitz all this up together first of all, apart from the peach, which will blend. So let's crack this on, a little bit noisy to begin with. Soft fruit first, so soft fruit first, and then we'll run through with the apple at the end. And yes, tomato is a fruit. There we go, just in case that comes up in one of your quizzes later. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that into the blender. Alright, this is a Froothie Evolve blender, it's a vacuum blender. Great news about a black vacuum blender is it sucks out all the air before blending anything. So what it does is it reduces oxidation within the blend. So it stops the air being blended into the fruit and veg, which means that the rawness, without any decomposition, is kept longer. So for example, if you're making one in the morning or at night time, ready for your next day at work, then this will be a perfect tool for yourself. Perfect, I'm going to put this in, I'll see you in a bit, it takes a little bit of time. Alrighty, so here we are, so get ready for this blend. Did you hear the little psh? That's the noise of a vacuum blender. It's a little bit of an investment, but certainly worth it. Okay, so let's give this a little go. That's really thick, isn't it? Let's have a little look at that. That's what we're looking for, beautiful colour there. That's really nice. You've got a balance of the tomato flavour with the sweetness of the peach even. So please make that one, give that a go. It's fantastic. It's all seasonal produce. Let's get involved. Speak soon. Thank you very much.